Hey, what's up, guys? I received this package from the shipping cart. I purchased this from the US to the metaldetectors.com. This is the Grey Ghost headphones for my Garrett Hunter Mark II. Let's unbox this one. It takes 10 days from the US to here. Shipping cart. Yeah. Careful. It cost $150, and the shipping cost is around 20. Detector Pro Grey Ghost Amphibian. Yes, my Lab Excalibur 2 headphones, the left is already broken, so I removed the one from my Sea Hunter, but I cannot detach it because it will break if I remove it. So it should be like this. Okay. Oh man, I think it has a volume control, but it does not have. I have seen the Grey Ghost Amphibian with volume control, but this is Amphibian 2. Okay, let's try this. Adjustable. I was not able to check. I was thinking of the one that I have seen that there's a volume control, but this one don't have a volume control, and the sound, the the stock the stock of the Sea Hunter actually sounds better than this. Oh man. And the stock headphones is very cheap compared to this one. But the problem is when I try to purchase the stock headphones, it is less than $100, and you need to have $100 to have free shipping to the US address. So just take this one to save $11, but turns out the sound is not really good as expected. But anyway, it's already here. I'll try this on the next hand. So if you're using the Grey Ghost, the one with the volume control, please let me know, guys, what is your opinion about that kind of headphones. But this one, well, this is new. I'll be used to it. I will still repair my old headphones. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next hand.